Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Pink Fresh Friday. It is also Mixed Media Mayhem, and here is our lift for today. It was chosen by the lovely MK, who is some assemblage required here on YouTube, and this sketch was created by Melania Burton. And if you can zoom in or freeze right there, you'll be able to check out her blog. So we're going to go ahead and try to recreate that. The one thing that I do want to bring in is we're supposed to use all Pink Fresh stuff. But I'm going to pull in this because that is actually there. All right, we're going to do this selfie of me and B. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it to go this way because that's how my photo's going. And I am using one of the March 2020 scrap room kits because it's Pink Fresh. So I've got Wonderful You in the moment. We're going to pull this in. I've got some goodies here. And then I have all kinds of fun paper from Beautiful Day. Oh yeah. So we can fussy cut out some of those guys. We've got that. Ooh. Alright, so we are going to use the white. And then what was on that side? Okay, so what I think we're going to do is we're just going to use this. And we're just going to tear it. Right along there. Something like that. Okay. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. So that's going to go up here. We do just need to kind of come in and you can trim that big white tear mark down just a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and scuff it up with the scissors. So it won't look cut, but it was just a little bit too much for even me. So we'll just come in and we'll scuff that up a little bit. Okay, so that's going to go there. Let's go ahead and map the photo and the back side of it, right? So we're just going to get a nice thin little mat. We'll just trim this out right here. We might even bring in some sequins. I have kind of strayed away from my daily prompts, you guys. Right now I'm just trying to get layouts completed because I am seriously behind in that. So I will still put the daily prompts up and try to play along with myself, but I do know a lot of you are playing along with it, so that's fun too. Alright. I'm going to pop this up. And well, this is drying the mixed media that we're about to do. I will be able to, because class is going to start soon. First class of 2024. All right. So we need to get this stuck down. And I used one of the textured. Okay, just making sure it wasn't like would be too long. Come on. Do you guys always have trouble lining things up as well? Lord knows I do. All right, and then we just need to, I need longer fingernails. Just kind of rough this up a little bit. Just kind of bend it. I'm just kind of bending so that there is some more dimension. I think it would be easier if I had fingernails. All right. Okay, so we have that. Now I'm going to pull in some stamps and stuff, so we'll be right back. So it actually looks like the stamping. So we just pulled in some velveteen. I pulled in some velveteen glaze from Brutus Monroe and a Close to My Heart stamp set. So this doesn't really matter because they're going out of business. So usually I try to tell you guys, but it doesn't matter. All right. So the photo is going to go right about there. So as always, we're just going to come right in and do that so we know where the photo goes, right? And I really only write that for you guys. Okay. So this, I'm just going to use a little bit of my fingers. Kind of get that on there. Or not my fingers, I'm just using my hand as the stamp block. I do that quite frequently. And then we're going to grab this one. Kind of get that around in there. And then this one. Kind of spread that out a little bit, and then I am just kind of wiping it off on my towel. We'll come in with this and just kind of do that a little bit. And then we have this little line here. We're just going to run it right here. I know, it's kind of messy. But I'm kind of digging it as well. Okay. Now, I'm going to grab the velveteen glaze. Mix it up, because I don't even, it looks like it's separating. This stuff is really old, you guys. And then we are just gonna, so we're gonna put it on there kind of you know, thick in some areas, right? That's kind of fun. And that's pretty much maybe we need to go this way. Okay. All right. Now it must dry. So all of this will dry and we will plop the photo on. And then I will come in, once it's dry, I'll actually come in and do some splatters, some more black splatters and stuff, just to bring some more of the black to the forefront. That's kind of cool. All right, so let's let this dry. I'm gonna figure out what else we're gonna throw at this, and we'll be right back. All right, so we have got lots of texture on there, and I actually don't want to add anything else there. I am going to pop this photo on. I know that I was going, it did take quite a few hours for that to dry, and then I just went on to some other things, you guys, because I left like very, very thick lines. So we're going to do dry adhesive and liquid adhesive to get this photo on. Pop it down right there. All right. Oh man. So then we want to get that needs to go there. Should have put this down first. Okay. That's very thin, but that's all right. We'll keep it. Then we need, let's see, in the moment, wonderful you. I think we're gonna pop the title right up here. So do in that, and then we're gonna put moment. Well, whoa. I think we're gonna run moment right here, right in the moment. Kind of fun, different. Okay, to make sure that that sticks, I am just going to run a little bit of glue. I do this a lot, you guys, where I just kind of run it down the edge of it. It dries, you cannot see it. Okay, so we've got that. Let's just go ahead and cut that piece off. Next, we've got all of this fun stuff and this sheet right here. Let's pull, I'm going to cut some of these little elements out, do a little fussy cut. I don't know if I'm going to cut them as stamps or actually just cut them out. I'll get a couple of the houses. And I like this little butterfly. We'll get the little doggy. And we'll get this little snow cone. And let's just take that as well. Okay. And then we have All I Need Is Coffee and You. Let's stick that right up here. Okay, so we're going to fussy cut these guys out. And then we'll come back and see what else we can get these little pieces on there. What else is in here? Oh, we could use that. When you focus on the good gets better. There's a little clipboard. Happy list. Yeah, we'll use that as well. All right. Okay, I'm going to fussy cut these and then I'll be right back to finish this. Alright you guys, so I've done my little fussy cutting and I've got them all up there. And that's it. We are going to call this done. So I do love the way that the texture is kind of seeping. And as you can see, you cannot see where I put that glue there. And we have a nice little cluster going on up here. And that's it. We're done. So I've got all of this left for another layout and another day. So should be able to get at least one more layout out of this scrap room kit. And I am really happy with that. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And don't forget to check out everyone that is playing along. I'm pretty sure this is the March kit. Didn't I say that? Yes. Check out everyone that's playing along with Pink Fresh Friday Hop and Mixed Media Mayhem. We do have links down below. There is a Facebook group. This is the March, I was playing with the March 2024 double shot kit. That's why there was not a lot of embellishments. But that's okay because we have plenty to play with. Alright, so I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Everything is done. I love it. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.